Best Gaming PC 2024. If you're serious about gaming in 2024, you know that having the right hardware can make all the difference. Gaming PCs are more powerful, customizable, and advanced than ever before, with brands pushing boundaries to deliver machines that provide ultra-smooth gameplay, faster load times, and stunning visuals. Whether you're looking for an out-of-the-box experience or a fully upgradable rig, there's a perfect gaming PC for everyone. Corsair Vengeance i7500. The Corsair Vengeance i7500 is a gaming beast that combines high-end components with a sleek, minimalist design. It's built for serious gamers who want smooth performance at 4K resolution without breaking a sweat. Equipped with the latest Intel Core i9 processor and NVIDIA RTX 4090 GPU, this machine is all about pushing the limits of gaming technology. Whether you're diving into fast-paced multiplayer games like Call of Duty, Warzone, or rendering heavy graphics in Cyberpunk 2077, the Vengeance i7500 ensures there's zero lag or stuttering. The cooling system in the Vengeance i7500 is top-notch, with strategically placed fans and liquid cooling options to keep the system running cool even during the most intense gaming sessions. No more worrying about overheating or thermal throttling while you're mid-game. What really sets the Vengeance i7500 apart is its upgradability. With its spacious interior, easy access to the motherboard, and toolless design, this PC makes upgrading your components a breeze. Whether you want to swap out the GPU in the future or add more storage, the Vengeance i7500 offers room for expansion. iBUYPOWER i60. For gamers who want style without sacrificing performance, the iBUYPOWER i60 is a standout choice. With its unique three-sided tempered glass design, this PC allows you to show off its powerful internal components while keeping a cool aesthetic. Powered by the Intel Core i7-13700 TF processor and NVIDIA RTX 4080, the i60 handles demanding games with ease. The visuals are breathtaking, allowing you to fully immerse yourself in detailed, high-resolution worlds, whether you're exploring open landscapes in Elden Ring or fighting in competitive arenas like Fortnite. In terms of functionality, the i60's airflow design is impressive. The case is built to optimize cooling, ensuring your components stay at optimal temperatures even during the most intense gaming marathons. The build quality is solid, and iBUYPOWER's attention to detail shines through with cable management that keeps the interior looking clean and organized. Additionally, the i60 comes pre-configured with a high-performance SSD for lightning-fast load times, so you'll be the first one in the game while others are still waiting to load into the map. With plenty of room for upgrades and customizations, the iBUYPOWER i60 makes it easy to stay at the forefront of gaming technology for years to come. MSI Infinite RS 13th. The MSI Infinite RS 13th is the epitome of cutting-edge gaming hardware. Armed with the Intel 13th Gen Core i9 processor and the incredible NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4090 GPU, this PC isn't just built for gaming, it's built for dominating. Whether you're a streamer, content creator, or competitive gamer, the Infinite RS handles everything you throw at it effortlessly. Games like Starfield and Baldur's Gate 3 run flawlessly at ultra settings, providing an experience that's as smooth as it is visually spectacular. The system is also equipped with an enormous amount of RAM, making multitasking a breeze, whether you're running background processes while gaming or editing large video files. One of the key features of the MSI Infinite RS is its exceptional cooling system. MSI's proprietary Silent Storm cooling technology ensures that your system remains cool under pressure, keeping temperatures low and performance high even during the most graphically demanding sessions. MSI MG1 Silver. When it comes to custom-built excellence, the MSI MG1 Silver stands in a class of its own. This PC combines the best of both worlds, insane performance and an unmatched level of craftsmanship. Powered by Intel's latest Core i9 processor and NVIDIA's RTX 4080 GPU, the MG1 delivers buttery smooth frame rates on AAA titles while maintaining whisper-quiet operation. Whether you're pushing your gaming to the limit or streaming content in 4K, this machine handles it all with ease. The MG1's custom cooling system is one of its highlights, with liquid cooling ensuring your CPU and GPU stay cool under the most intense gaming loads. This means fewer worries about thermal throttling and more time enjoying uninterrupted gameplay. Aesthetically, the MG1 Silver is a work of art. The brushed aluminum case gives it a premium look and feel, while the customizable RGB lighting adds a personal touch to your setup. Inside, the attention to detail is impeccable. Acer Predator Orion 5000. The Acer Predator Orion 5000 is a powerful gaming machine designed for those who crave high performance without sacrificing style. Powered by the Intel Core i7-13700KF processor and NVIDIA RTX 4070 GPU, this rig is built to run the most graphically demanding games like Assassin's Creed Valhalla and Forza Horizon 5 at ultra settings. You'll experience fluid, lifelike visuals and fast-paced action without a single hitch. The Predator Orion 5000 also offers fantastic cooling with its Frostblade 2.0 fans, keeping airflow steady and components cool no matter how intense your gaming session gets. What sets the Predator Orion 5000 apart is its unique design. The chassis has a bold, angular look that screams gaming power, and with its customizable RGB lighting, you can match the colors to your battle station's theme. It also comes with ample connectivity options, including USB Type-C, HDMI, and DisplayPort, making it easy to connect multiple devices and monitors. Lenovo Legion Tower 7i Gen 8. For gamers seeking a powerful yet balanced machine, the Lenovo Legion Tower 7i Gen 8 is a perfect choice. Equipped with the Intel Core i9-13900KF NVIDIA RTX 4080, this gaming PC delivers high frame rates in all the latest titles. Games like Diablo IV and Hogwarts Legacy look stunning on this system, thanks to its powerful GPU and high refresh rates. Lenovo's cooling technology is another major win, keeping the system running smoothly even when the action heats up. The Legion Tower 7i's build quality is exceptional, with a sturdy design that balances performance with sleek aesthetics. The toolless design makes it easy to access and upgrade components when needed. The Legion Tower 7i isn't just about raw power, though. It's about providing an immersive gaming experience. The system is optimized for Lenovo Vantage, giving you full control over your settings to maximize performance, customize lighting, and fine-tune your gameplay experience. Plus, with a fast SSD and plenty of RAM, load times are practically non-existent, meaning you'll jump into your favorite games quicker than ever. Corsair i500. Compact, powerful, and stylish, the Corsair i500 stands out for gamers who want a premium experience in a smaller form factor. Don't let its size fool you. The i500 is a powerhouse, equipped with an Intel Core i9-12900K processor and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3080 Ti. This combination allows for top-tier performance in any game, from fast-paced shooters to graphically intensive open-world adventures. The i500's small size doesn't compromise its cooling either. Corsair's custom liquid cooling ensures that both the CPU and GPU remain cool and efficient, even during marathon gaming sessions. What makes the Corsair i500 truly unique is its compact design, which fits perfectly on any desk without taking up too much space. Despite its smaller size, this PC still offers plenty of power for gaming at high settings and multitasking. It's also one of the quietest gaming PCs on the market, making it ideal for those who value performance without the noise. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.